Again, good day everybody. So for this video, I want to show everybody how to create your own website for free and follow me with the step-by-step tutorial. So first of all, you need to open a Google browser or any browser you want. Okay, just search wix.com and you can see here free website builder, create a free website wix.com. Click that one and then you will see the interface. Since I have my own account, so I will just log out this one so that I can show you how to get started. Okay, so at first you can see this interface, create a website you're proud of. So just get started. If you do not have an account, you need to sign up. Click sign up and then you can provide your own email here, then type your password, or you need to log in with your Facebook or your Google account. But in my case, I have already signed in, so I just put my email here. Then after you log in or sign up, you will see this interface, my sites, then create your first sites. Okay, by creating your first sites, you need to choose what's your templates. Create a new site. Now we have here what kind of website are you creating. So in your case, since you are a student, you need to have a website that contains your information, your personal information. It's either your portfolio or resume. You can you can choose also online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company. So in this case, you will have a portfolio or you want to search a resume. Okay, when you type resume, there are choices there that you can see: resume, resume services, business student resume, actor resume, photo resume, sketch artist. So since you are a student, so you need to have business student resume. Then next. And remember, by choosing what website you are creating, it is in your own choice. Okay, so here you can choose how you want to create your website. Is it let Wix Addict create a website for you or automatically? Then you can create your website with the editor. So you need to edit a template. So if you will click this one, if you click start now, it is automatically get a website design just for you in a minute. So automatically they will create your website. But in here, you need to create or edit the website that you need with a template. Okay, so example, this is the Let Wix Addict create a website for you. Okay, so if you need to create a website automatically, you need to start now. But if you have, you will need to edit a template, so just click this edit a template. Then here, since this is a resume for a students, business resume for a students, you can also search here if imo siyang i-change. Okay? So you are to choose the templates that you like in here about you, your resume. For example, this one. Let's view. Okay, this will look like okay, that one. Let's edit that one. So here is the editor of your website. So automatically we have here your, okay, you can edit some of the wordings. Example here. Hi, I am. Then your font here, you can change the text settings, headings, the themes, the fonts, the font size, and the colors. Also the effects of your fonts here. Okay, you can edit. Okay, that's the page home. Then, in editing sa home, you need to click this in here to home. Then, if you have to edit about, just click here about. Okay, about me. Here is the, okay, the next is projects. Your project, your portfolio, or your work experiences. Home, back to home again. Okay, services. Your services here, the service that you offer to a client. Your blog, or if you have some website. Your post. Okay, you have that one. the about me. Okay. You can have to attach here your curriculum vitae, your resume. You can also have that, click that one, and then uh, you can also link the CV if ever na attach na dito sa imuha nga kuan, sa imuha nga Google Drive or any link that you have. You can have also the page, the web, anchor, email, phone number, then choose a file here. Then done. When clicking choose a file, you you will be directed here sa upload media or start adding files here. Okay, then done. Now in here, you need also to connect your social media link of your account. So if you have Facebook, you need to connect your Facebook account. Okay, you have this Facebook, then link your Facebook account. Web address. Click web address, then your Facebook link here, then done. Then on your IG, okay, your IG, that one, just click this link, then web address, then your Instagram account. Okay, your LinkedIn, if you have some LinkedIn account, so you can connect that one. You can also set up login bar with your profile pic, and member's name. Then you can also have the login or logout. Then your notification bar, you can set up that also. Okay, this is the setup of your website on a phone. In the laptop or desktop side, sa inana siya. Okay, after publishing, after creating your website and it is all set, just click publish. You can also have this get in touch, the name, email, then submit. Okay, so this one, you need to have your email, write your email, then connect your social media links here. If Facebook lang, so pwede lang yapon if walay Instagram o LinkedIn. If na mo YouTube channel, pwede mo libutang dali ang YouTube channel. So that's very simple in creating your website. Then just click publish after you are finished. Now let me show you my site, the first site that I have created already. So that's all, guys. I hope you get some tips, and if you have some questions or clarifications, just message me directly so that you will be guided on how to create your own website. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to support this channel, and thank you very much for supporting.